First, we do have some strong thunderstorms in the neighborhood, again associated with the dry line, which today even a little further out to the west than it was this time yesterday. And as I described, the dry line serves as a front, a focusing mechanism for thunderstorm activity. And indeed, just like second day in a row now, we've seen thunderstorms ahead of it. The stronger thunderstorms are well ahead of it over by Wichita Falls, but that is the area where there is a tornado watch that stretches all the way up into Kansas till 11 o'clock. Does not include our coverage area, but we have seen some strong thunderstorms. No tornado warnings, but thunderstorm warnings for large hail, 60-mile-per-hour winds. Look at all this lightning of this thunderstorm crossing the Red River going up into Oklahoma. And there's more activity behind it. Let's talk about that, because as you look at this forecast model, you can see the cell over Wichita Falls and more behind that, headed that same direction towards the Red River, not towards us. Interesting note here that as those storms rage on and continue warnings, we do see a rogue cell getting over the Metroplex. In this forecast model, we're keeping an eye. The atmosphere is slightly capped, but only slightly capped. So if a thunderstorm could get going, it could produce some large hail even in the Metroplex. The chances are pretty small. The better chances, all this thunderstorm activity stays out to the west this evening. We get a few showers from the remnants of it, and then we get into the overnight hours. And now let's talk about tomorrow, because tomorrow's a first alert weather day. We think thunderstorms that develop in the early morning hours out to our west will make a run for us. You see this line right here. This could be part of your morning commute, or at least later on in the morning, and then we'll get another round as we get into the afternoon hours that could also have some strong thunderstorms to it. First, the three-day forecast, all right? We're in the 80s again tomorrow. We're in the 80s on Thursday and Friday, and we're dry. It's tomorrow's the first alert weather day with the thunderstorm risk. It comes in the morning, then shows up again in the afternoon. What you see here in the yellow box is the area of slight risk for the tomorrow, and you can see these strong thunderstorms. Now, I do think the ones in the slight risk area will be stronger, but do notice thunderstorms erupting as we cross the afternoon hours tomorrow and get across the day into the evening hours. So we'll have to deal with these thunderstorms as we get into the afternoon hours, and so they could be strong. That's tomorrow. That's the first alert weather day. Then again, Thursday, Friday, going to be dry and warm in the 80s. Then we have a cold front coming through. It's going to drop the temperatures down to the 70s this weekend. Look at Sunday morning in the 40s. But on Saturday, with this front coming through, we're watching this. This could bring some big rain. We know it's going to be a windy day and some good rain chances, good rain coverage on your Saturday. We're still getting a better sense of that as we draw closer on the timing of it, but it will knock these temperatures down. We've been in the 80s. We're going to be in the 70s, not only the weekend, but the start of next week as well. And Kim, it's spring storm season. Thunderstorm chances just about every day next week.
Oh boy. All right.